will introduce how to assemble the seat. There has a seat parts. This one is the upper clamp, and pay attention. This one is down clamp, and this one is the up post. This one is the down post, and the seat. Now we start to assemble the seat. First, we need to connect the up and down clamp, and connection it by the clamps. Fasten it, and then put down the down clamp. Insert the post and fasten the down clamp. And last step, we need to insert the seat. There has screws on the seat to connect the posts. Need to use spindle to fasten the seat. After insert the seat, we need to check whether all the clamp is fastened well. Try to shake it. If the seat is fixed, then the seat is okay.